Imagine if the secret to maintaining youthful energy, vitality, and even sexual health was something you could hold in the palm of your hand. It's small, humble, and often tossed aside without a second glance. Yet this overlooked superfood is causing a stir in the health and wellness world. And for good reason. Scientists in South Korea recently revealed groundbreaking findings published in early 2024. Their research into the unassuming pumpkin seed is turning heads, especially when it comes to aging, hormonal balance, and male sexual function. Yes, pumpkin seeds, the same little kernels often found in trail mixes or sprinkled on salads, are proving to be a powerhouse of health benefits. But here's the catch. Most people eat them the wrong way or ignore their full potential altogether. What you may not realize is that these seeds are packed with essential nutrients that can positively impact not only your bones, heart, and sleep, but also play a vital role in improving male sexual health. Let's start with the broader picture. Pumpkin seeds are incredibly rich in nutrients like magnesium, zinc, healthy fats, antioxidants, and fiber. These compounds support a range of bodily functions from nerve signaling and immune defense to hormone production and inflammation control. Zinc, for instance, is critical for immune function and cell regeneration, while magnesium supports more than 300 enzymatic processes in the body, including those that regulate blood sugar, muscle health, and cardiovascular function. Together, these nutrients form a synergistic team that helps protect your body from internal wear and tear, slowing down the aging process in a natural and sustainable way. But where things get even more interesting is when we focus on how pumpkin seeds affect male sexual health. Zinc, found in exceptionally high amounts in pumpkin seeds, is directly linked to testosterone production. Low testosterone is one of the most common underlying causes of fatigue, low libido, and erectile dysfunction in aging men. Zinc deficiency can lead to hormonal imbalances, reduced sperm count, and even infertility. Adding pumpkin seeds to your daily routine can help reverse or prevent these issues naturally. 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw or lightly roasted pumpkin seeds daily can provide a meaningful dose of zinc, helping to restore hormone levels and promote better sexual performance. Beyond testosterone, pumpkin seeds contain a rare blend of plant-based sterols, antioxidants, and amino acids like tryptophan, all of which support reproductive health. Tryptophan converts into serotonin and melatonin, which are essential for regulating mood and sleep. Good sleep is often overlooked, but is vital for healthy testosterone levels. Men who suffer from poor sleep often experience a noticeable decline in libido and energy. With pumpkin seeds, you're addressing not just the symptoms, but one of the root causes, naturally improving sleep quality while simultaneously aiding hormonal balance. There's also compelling evidence that compounds in pumpkin seed oil help reduce symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a non-cancerous enlargement of the prostate gland that affects urinary and sexual function in aging men. This condition can lead to frequent urination, low urine flow, and discomfort that indirectly impacts confidence and performance. The anti-inflammatory and hormone-modulating properties of pumpkin seeds can help shrink the prostate and improve these symptoms over time. Another overlooked benefit lies in their contribution to sperm health. Studies have shown that zinc and antioxidants in pumpkin seeds help improve sperm count, quality, and motility. Oxidative stress and poor nutrition are 2 leading contributors to declining fertility in men, especially after age 35. By integrating pumpkin seeds into your daily meals, you're providing your body with nutrients that help protect sperm cells from DNA damage and enhance overall reproductive vitality. And let's not forget that healthy circulation is essential for optimal sexual performance. The magnesium and omega-3 fatty acids found in pumpkin seeds support cardiovascular health by improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Enhanced circulation doesn't just benefit your heart, it also plays a direct role in achieving and maintaining erections. Poor vascular health is often at the root of erectile issues, making pumpkin seeds a surprisingly effective food-based remedy for supporting male performance. Now that we've explored their impact on sexual and reproductive health, let's not overlook their other equally powerful effects. Pumpkin seeds are natural inflammation fighters thanks to their antioxidants, particularly vitamin E and carotenoids. These compounds reduce the damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that contribute to aging, joint pain, and even cancer. A daily serving of pumpkin seeds acts as a built-in shield against these damaging agents. They also contain compounds that support strong bones, especially for postmenopausal women who face a steep decline in bone density due to falling estrogen levels. Magnesium and zinc in pumpkin seeds contribute to bone formation and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Including them regularly in the diet can support long-term skeletal health and lower fracture risk, especially in older adults. Pumpkin seeds play a role in stabilizing blood sugar as well. The combination of fiber and magnesium helps slow the absorption of glucose, preventing the spikes and crashes that can lead to insulin resistance and eventually type 2 diabetes. For anyone trying to manage their metabolic health or avoid energy dips during the day, pumpkin seeds offer a natural solution. On the emotional side, they help reduce stress and anxiety. Magnesium supports a calm nervous system by regulating neurotransmitters, while tryptophan boosts mood by increasing serotonin production. It's a powerful combination that makes you feel more grounded, alert, and emotionally balanced throughout the day. When it comes to immune defense, zinc is the star player once again. It helps your body produce immune cells that ward off viruses and infections. A zinc deficiency, even a mild one, can leave you more vulnerable to illnesses. Regular intake of pumpkin seeds ensures your immune system has what it needs to respond quickly and effectively. And if you're watching your heart, pumpkin seeds have something for you too. Their healthy fats help manage cholesterol levels by lowering LDL and boosting HDL. Combined with magnesium's role in maintaining a healthy heartbeat and regulating blood pressure, pumpkin seeds are an excellent addition for cardiovascular wellness. They also assist digestion through their fiber content, which helps maintain bowel regularity and supports a healthy gut microbiome. For individuals with sluggish digestion or frequent bloating, a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds can act as a gentle, daily digestive aid. Their benefits even reach your eyes and skin. Carotenoids and vitamin E in pumpkin seeds reduce the risk of age vision issues like macular degeneration, while zinc and fatty acids support clear, glowing skin and stronger hair and nails. If you've noticed thinning hair, brittle nails, or dull skin, pumpkin seeds offer a natural way to restore vibrancy. With all these benefits, it's easy to understand why pumpkin seeds are often referred to as a functional food, offering healing properties well beyond basic nutrition. The best part is how easy they are to integrate into your routine. You can eat them raw or roast them lightly to bring out their flavor, add them to salads, sprinkle them into your oatmeal or yogurt, or even blend them into smoothies. Soaking them overnight can help reduce phytic acid, a natural compound that interferes with mineral absorption, making their nutrients even more bioavailable. If you're just starting, begin with a tablespoon a day and work up to 2, giving your body time to adjust to the added fiber. And while pumpkin seeds are safe for most people, those with seed allergies or medical conditions like kidney issues or who are on blood thinners should consult a doctor before making them a regular part of their diet. Dr. Samuel Boyd here, reminding you that real wellness often begins with the simple natural choices we make daily. Pumpkin seeds might be small, but their impact on your health, particularly your energy, reproductive function, and sexual performance, can be significant. If you're looking to naturally support your body as it ages while preserving vitality and strength, pumpkin seeds are a smart, affordable, and delicious place to start. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more content on evidence-based health strategies using everyday foods. We'll be diving deeper into other nutritional powerhouses like turmeric in upcoming episodes, so hit that notification bell and don't miss out. Until next time, take care of yourself, nourish your body, and stay curious.